Check this out, guys. We're looking at a Vampire Fang Grillz set. This is for the canine fangs. They're pointy, vampire. And these are 925 sterling silver. Solid silver, guys. It has the diamond dust finish that you see right there, shining hard in the sunlight. Okay, that's the diamond dust, and then you got the white border around it. It's a beautiful grill set. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Show you the back side real quick. This is the back bar bridge. It's hidden so you don't see it from the front. Okay, it's available right here on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping, you get a free mold kit. Check us out. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.